In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage re-enrollment conditions in HubSpot workflows. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to optimize their marketing automation efforts, so grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. First off, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you've successfully logged in, your task is to navigate to the automation section, specifically to workflows. HubSpot's workflow feature is a powerful tool that helps you automate various tasks in your marketing and sales processes, improving efficiency and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Once you've entered the workflows area, you have two choices. You can either open an existing workflow which might be familiar to you, or if you're feeling creative or starting fresh, you can create a brand new one. For those of you who are new to this, remember, creating your own workflow can give you greater control over how your processes are automated, tailoring them to meet your specific needs. Now, assuming you have your workflow open, you're going to want to click on the Settings tab within the Workflow Editor. This is a crucial step where a lot of the customization magic happens. Within the Settings tab, you have the opportunity to fine-tune your workflow's re-enrollment conditions. Let's focus on enabling the Allow Re-enrollment feature. This feature is key if you want your contacts to re-enter the workflow based on specific conditions. It's especially useful when you have ongoing campaigns or processes that a contact might need to go through more than once. Go ahead and set the conditions that trigger this re-enrollment. These conditions might include property changes within a contact record, or perhaps when a form submission occurs. Choose conditions that make the most sense for your workflow objectives. For example, if you're working with a conversion funnel, you might set a condition to trigger re-enrollment when a lead revisits a pricing page or fills out a new form expressing renewed interest. Once you're satisfied with the conditions you've set, the next step is to save these settings. Don't forget this step, as it's easy to overlook, and all your previous hard work could be lost if not saved. After saving, activate your workflow to ensure it's live and ready to run with the new re-enrollment criteria. Finally, as your workflow starts running, it's important to monitor its performance periodically. Keep an eye on whether re-enrollment is functioning as expected. You can do this by looking at your workflow analytics, checking for any unexpected behaviors, and making tweaks as necessary. Monitoring allows you to catch any issues early and make adjustments to optimize your workflow's performance. And that wraps up today's tutorial on managing re-enrollment in HubSpot workflows. Implement these steps and you'll enhance your automation strategy, ensuring your contacts have the right interactions at the right time. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.